And when someone is really there with you, you have to feel it.
Yeah.
Na kama yuko na wewe utajua. So, haujaifakiwa?
Mimi sijaifakiwa.
Una perform.
Sikia mjinga.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Peshu Official. Guys, thanks for subscribing, and those who are new here, consider subscribing. Yeah, so today I have guests in my channel and I'll let them introduce themselves.
Did you introduce?
Yeah, you go first.
Akisonga nifanyie introduction.
Neza angusha jina yako.
Sema Nicholas Kioko.
This is Nicholas Kioko.
Kioko.
What's
Kioko.
wrong with you? And the lady?
Tinda official.
Yeah, so
Anasikika kweli?
Hajasikika?
Tinda official.
Yeah, so this is Nicholas Kioko and Tinda Official. Yeah, guys, if you've been watching my videos, there's a video I was having a conversation with iCandy Africa.
I liked the video.
Thank you.
I even told you that.
Yeah, you've just told me right now. Yeah, the video was about how I fake orgasms, yeah? And not me particularly.
Nimekupata. You just said it. How you fake orgasm.
That was the title. Yeah, but yeah, it was about how I fake orgasms. And hapo kwa comment section I saw that men also fake. Yeah, so that's a conversation I was having with my friend iCandy, and I want to get the opinion of Nicholas and Tinda Official. So I'll let Tinda go first. Tinda, do you fake orgasms, and why?
Mambo ni ngumu. Mambo ni hard.
Sana. So yeah, sometimes you can't do that. Yeah. Speaking on behalf of other women.
No, we're talking about you.
About me. Yeah, I can do that. If you don't want to.
Why?
Have you ever?
Yeah.
What
Like
was
How can you fake vibration?
No, like if you kama unapenda mtu and then he's not doing it, perform. So you don't want to hurt his feelings.
So how do you fake?
Si unajifanya tu.
How?
Unajifanya tu.
I mean how?
Where? So ujui.
I'm serious, like I want to know.
Like unajifanya tu, like yeah, you've reached your optimum.
Unajifanya umefika climax.
Yeah.
Okay, this is you, Wacha nishikie mic. Nimezoea kushika mic.
Okay, it's okay.
This is you now. Uko katika michezo, uko katika michezo, uko katika mechi.
Yeah.
Na umefeel it's not happening, right?
Hafiki pale.
Hafiki kama Watanzania, hafiki kileleni, hafiki kwenye whatever.
Ni kileleni.
Kileleni. So how do you like show us?
No, I can't do that here. Come on.
No. Ata edit, sindio?
Apana.
Uta edit, sindio?
Asidemo, she just has to give a reason like why, and that's it.
Apana. Like me, you can do it, just not to hurt someone's feelings. Unajifanya tu umefika hata kama hujafika.
Let me ask you a question. So you can fake, but how many times are you going to fake?
Inafika point that you get tired. Unasema fuck it. See, nimechoka kupretend. Let me look for someone else.
Na ukipata baada yuko sawa.
You keep looking.
Na ukipata baada yuko sawa.
You keep looking. Yeah.
Let me ask you.
Wanasemaga you kiss a lot of frogs, kitu kama hiyo.
Yeah.
Before you get a frog. So utakiss ngapi?
Hata thao. Yeah.
No, don't ask.
Si utakuwa hivyo.
Yeah, so I wanted to ask badala ya keep on faking and faking. How about you just sit down with your man and have a conversation that, hey babe, we usually do this and this, but haunifikishi pale. How about you improve on ABCD ndio sisi wote tukwe tunafika kileleni? Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that. Mnaweza mkwe na sit down, but then again some things are beyond them, beyond someone. Yeah. It's natural. Akishindwa ameshindwa. There's nothing that they can do unless you're implying that atafute, madawa or something.
Yeah, enhance.
Yeah.
Size of what?
Libido. So that you maybe can go for long. Yeah.
Wow, that's very serious. But I believe that mnaweza communicate na there's something that can be done to improve this whole performance.
There can be.
Okay. Okay, sawa. Thanks for your opinion. So let's go to the man in the building. What's your opinion?
They call me sawa tuendelee.
How do they call you?
Jana on Songo.
Oh, all right. So give us your opinion.
On what? Ask
Do
question.
men fake orgasms?
Why?
Me I don't think nike mic. Niko na kierere.
It's okay.
Me I don't think kama wanaume fake kitu. I mean sidhani kama wanaume fake. Sidhani, because at end of the day ni rahisi kwa mwanaume kutimiza kuliko kwa mwanamke kutimiza, si ndio? Kulingana na mimi.
Ati ni rahisi kwa?
For a woman to come. For a man to come than a woman. Yeah.
So I mean sidhani kama mwanaume anaweza fake. I think for men don't fake.
Well, I was getting an opinion like men can fake in instances where maybe instances like hygiene, if the lady is not that clean and you are already in it, so you just fake and you just get done with it and na hivyo ndio umeenda na utaimwona tena. Can that happen?
Yeah, it can happen. But kama kitu kama si it's not, if it's not how do you say it, kama si safi, you just leave it.
Okay, so men don't fake.
Muuliza mtu ashaimfikia.
Mi sijui kama nishaifekiwa.
You can't tell the difference between being real and when someone is really there with you, you have to feel it.
Yeah.
Na kama yuko na wewe utajua. So haujaifakiwa?
Mi sijaifekiwa.
Una perform.
Siku mjinga. Mi for real sijaifekiwa.
Wow, that's really interesting.
Yeah.
Wow.
Una imagine?
Yeah, I can't believe it because at one point, anyway, kuna tu kale kamtu kenye like hafeel hiyo nini, but anyway maybe umekuki get the right ones ama you just perform. That's you.
Next question.
Well, that's the conversation I wanted us to have, and
Tumemaliza.
you have a point to add to
it's
it.
Interesting. Uliza swali lingine.
Do you have a question for me?
Yeah, by the shy fake, or have you been in that situation?
Yeah.
Like someone faked for you, or
No.
you faked?
Muulize how many times has she faked?
Have you ever faked before, and if so, how many times? Or have you ever been in a situation that you're with a man and fake?
Tuko hapa tutakuhaga.
Well, for me, a man has never faked for me. But mi naweza sema sijai fake. But ikifika hiyo point si feel mse.
Kutafuta mwingine. Sio amesema mnaacha mnatafuta mwingine.
Yeah.
Unaoga unarudi sokoni.
Yeah. Sure.
But it hurts, ndio?
Okay, sijai fikiri inaweza hurt, but I just
I mean hiyo like ukiambia msee akimaliza tu. Ikwangi kwa uzuri.
Yeah. That's why
Wow.
sometimes that's why you fake. No, si hard feelings I'm saying. Juu kimwambia wewe maliza. Uishie.
Inaka rude.
Yeah.
so yangu ni yours.
Yako ni rude.
God, I thought by telling them hivyo atafika kileleni afurahi, then me I don't mind about myself. It's okay.
No, you're
I'll
hurting
just
his
go.
feelings.
I never thought about it
Because
that way.
ukiniambia maliza tu mimi niko sawa. It means I'm not performing. Si ndio?
Yeah,
It means I'm not performing.
Probably,
So badala uniambie
Sometimes you lie to, protect someone.
yeah. Kuliko niumize, niache tu. Wacha nimalize, niende. Then
Ghost.
I'm a ghost, yeah.
Well, then I guess I'm that bad.
You're not bad.
No, nimekuwa nikiambia mtu like, just finish and
You're not bad. What you do is bad.
Oh. Point
Kuna
taken.
anatangwa aje? Burale.
Oh.
Tafuta Burale siku moja. Host about this show. This whatever you're talking about. Atakupea story.
Wow, I will.
That guy is so smart and you all know that, don't you?
True, yeah.
Mtafute siku moja na muongelee the same topic. na hiyo siku utafanya haki nipigie simu, nitakuja kusikiza live mimi.
I sure will. Thanks for the referral.
Yeah. Edgar Burale. I know we don't know each other. I've met you kwa album ya Size 8 I think. Please akikutafuta mpe interview. This is a very sensitive topic which needs to be addressed, and I know you're perfect when it comes to matters of, relationships and nini. Please.
And these are things that people never really talk about.
Yeah.
If you post a video like this, people will like, why is your video uncensored and stuff like that?
Not even that. Hata ukipost video kama hiyo, YouTube wataitoa.
Wow.
Sana kama ni ya kizungu.
Watu wanaogopa sex education.
Umewatch your movie, your series?
Yeah.
Umewatch? Okay. Great.
Any more questions?
What should ladies do to avoid that thing?
To avoid what?
Ama acha
To avoid faking.
acha tungoje tuachie Burale hiyo, si ndio?
Yeah, and the fans can comment down below what they think that tunaweza fanya ku avoid the whole issue.
Yeah.
Because me I've been thinking communication can help.
Venye umeambia huyu aongee na chali yake.
Yeah.
Communication can help, lakini pia kama unajua pia there are some people that are tough-headed. Unaweza taka kuongea na mtu na ajisikii ama is not ready for that kind of conversation. So that's where you stop.
But I think
Yeah.
I think pia ina depend where is your relationship going.
True. That
Maybe this person hata akili yake hata iko 10 years to come.
or maybe you're just there for the moment and that's it.
You see? Na wewe unataka kuwa satisfied with that person mwenye he's just there for the moment. You see? So pia ni vizuri ujue, because mi kile ile kitu najua kama mimi like mwanaume anafaa kufikishe.
True.
Anafaa kufikishe.
Like nyinyi wote mnafaa mfike, that's the point.
Yeah, nyinyi wote mnafaa mfike, that's the thing. Si ndio? Thank you.
Any more comments?
Acha tuachie mafans, si ndio? Watu wako wanaitangaje?
Fans, they're like family to me, right?
Family to you.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay guys, that's it for our conversation today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Adios.